Welcome to Calm Mind and Healthy Body, our channel. Spices have been used for centuries not only to enhance the flavor of our dishes, but also for their incredible health benefits. In recent years, research has shown that certain spices can profoundly impact our health, particularly in repairing DNA, fighting cancer, and reducing inflammation. In this video, we will explore two unique spices known for their powerful healing properties, turmeric and ginger. Turmeric, often called the golden spice, is a staple in Indian cuisine and traditional medicine. It contains a compound called curcumin, which has been studied extensively for its antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties. Curcumin has been shown to repair damaged DNA, which is crucial for preventing mutations that can lead to cancer. Additionally, curcumin has been found to inhibit the growth of cancer cells and even induce apoptosis, or programmed cell death, in cancer cells. Ginger is another spice that has been used medicinally for centuries. It contains bioactive compounds such as gingerol, which have powerful anti-inflammatory and antioxidant effects. Studies have shown that ginger can help reduce inflammation in the body, which is a critical factor in many chronic diseases, including cancer. Ginger has also been found to have anti-cancer properties, with research suggesting that it may help inhibit the growth and spread of cancer cells. Both turmeric and ginger are rich in antioxidants, which help protect our cells from damage caused by free radicals. Free radicals are unstable molecules that can cause oxidative stress in the body, leading to inflammation, DNA damage, and an increased risk of chronic diseases. By consuming antioxidant-rich spices like turmeric and ginger, we can help combat oxidative stress and support our overall health and longevity. In this video, we will delve deeper into the science behind how turmeric and ginger work to repair DNA, fight cancer, and reduce inflammation. We will also discuss practical ways to incorporate these spices into your daily diet to reap their full benefits. Join us as we explore the incredible healing powers of these two unique spices and learn how they can help you on your journey to optimal health and wellness. If you enjoy our content, we'd appreciate it if you could subscribe and hit the notification bell so you never miss an update on health tips, recipes, and wellness inspiration. I appreciate your support. Cancer-fighting foods are crucial in promoting health and wellness by providing our bodies with essential nutrients and compounds to help prevent and combat cancer. Incorporating these foods into our daily diet is a delicious and powerful way to support our overall well-being. In this video, we will delve into the concept of cancer-fighting foods and explore specific spices known for their anti-cancer properties. The significance of incorporating cancer-fighting foods into our daily diet cannot be overstated. Research has shown that certain foods, particularly plant-based ones, are rich in antioxidants, vitamins, minerals, and phytochemicals that can help protect our cells from damage, reduce inflammation, and inhibit the growth of cancer cells. Including various cancer-fighting foods in our meals can create a strong foundation for optimal health and reduce our risk of developing cancer. Two spices that stand out for their potent anti-cancer properties are turmeric and ginger. As mentioned earlier, turmeric contains curcumin, a compound with potent antioxidant and anti-inflammatory effects. Curcumin has been studied for its ability to inhibit the growth of cancer cells and induce apoptosis, making it a valuable addition to a cancer-fighting diet. Ginger, on the other hand, contains gingerol, which has been shown to have anti-cancer properties and can help reduce inflammation in the body. Now explore some delicious dishes and recipes incorporating these cancer-fighting spices. One popular dish that features turmeric is golden milk, a warm and comforting beverage made with turmeric, milk, or a dairy-free alternative, and other spices like cinnamon and black pepper. Golden milk not only tastes delicious, but also provides a soothing way to enjoy the health benefits of turmeric. For those who enjoy cooking, a simple stir-fry with ginger can be a flavorful and nutritious way to incorporate this cancer-fighting spice into your meals. Dry sautéing vegetables, protein of your choice, and fresh ginger in a wok with a splash of soy sauce and sesame oil for a quick and satisfying dish that packs a punch of anti-cancer properties. By including cancer-fighting spices like turmeric and ginger in our daily meals, we can harness the power of these natural ingredients to support our health and well-being. Experiment with different recipes and dishes to find creative ways to enjoy these spices and reap their anti-cancer benefits. Join us as we explore the world of cancer-fighting foods and discover how simple dietary choices can significantly impact our health. Longevity, antioxidants, and overall well-being are intricately connected. Antioxidants play a key role in promoting cellular health and extending our lifespan. In this video, we will delve into the fascinating relationship between longevity and antioxidants, and how spices can provide powerful antioxidant benefits to support our health and well-being. Antioxidants are compounds that help protect our cells from damage caused by free radicals. Free radicals are unstable molecules that can lead to oxidative stress and inflammation in the body. By neutralizing free radicals, antioxidants help maintain the integrity of our cells and DNA, ultimately promoting cellular health and longevity. Consuming a diet rich in antioxidants is essential for combating the effects of aging and reducing the risk of chronic diseases. Spices like turmeric and ginger are known for their potent antioxidant properties. Turmeric contains curcumin, a powerful antioxidant that has been shown to scavenge free radicals and reduce oxidative stress in the body. Ginger, with its bioactive compound gingerol, also acts as an antioxidant and helps protect cells from damage. Incorporating these antioxidant-rich spices into our diet can boost our body's defense against oxidative damage and support our overall well-being. Scientific research has provided compelling evidence on the impact of antioxidants on aging and disease prevention. Studies have shown that a diet high in antioxidants can help slow aging, reduce inflammation, and lower the risk of chronic conditions such as heart disease, cancer, and neurodegenerative disorders. Antioxidants have also been linked to improved cognitive function, skin health, and overall vitality. One study published in the Journal of Nutrition found that curcumin, the active compound in turmeric, has anti-aging effects by protecting against oxidative stress and inflammation. Another study in the Journal of Medicinal Food highlighted ginger's antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties, suggesting its potential in preventing age-related diseases. Incorporating antioxidant-rich spices like turmeric and ginger into our daily meals is a simple yet effective way to enhance our antioxidant intake and support longevity. Whether sprinkled on dishes, brewed into teas, or blended into smoothies, these spices can provide a flavorful and health-boosting addition to our diet. Join us as we explore the fascinating world of longevity, antioxidants, and the role of spices in promoting cellular health and overall well-being. Spices have long been celebrated for their remarkable health benefits, and incorporating them into our daily meals can profoundly impact our overall wellness. In this video, we will explore the specific health benefits of identified spices, such as reducing inflammation and supporting immune function, and discuss how these spices can be seamlessly integrated into our daily meals for enhanced wellness. Additionally, we will provide tips on maximizing the health benefits of these spices through proper consumption. Turmeric and ginger, two powerhouse spices, offer a wide range of health benefits that can contribute to our overall wellness. Turmeric's active compound, curcumin, is well known for its anti-inflammatory properties. By reducing inflammation in the body, turmeric can help alleviate symptoms of conditions such as arthritis and inflammatory bowel disease, and even promote heart health. Additionally, turmeric supports immune function by boosting the body's natural defenses and promoting overall well-being. Ginger, on the other hand, is a versatile spice that adds a zing to dishes and provides numerous health benefits. Ginger is a natural anti-inflammatory agent that can help reduce pain and swelling, making it beneficial for individuals with osteoarthritis. It also aids digestion, relieves nausea, and supports immune function, making it a valuable addition to a wellness-focused diet. Integrating these spices into our daily meals is a simple and delicious way to enhance our wellness. Turmeric can be added to curries, soups, smoothies, and even brewed into a soothing turmeric latte. Ginger can be grated into stir-fries, blended into juices, or steeped in hot water to make ginger tea. By experimenting with different recipes and incorporating these spices into our favorite dishes, we can enjoy their health benefits while tantalizing our taste buds. It is important to consume these spices in the right way to maximize their health benefits. Pairing turmeric with black pepper can enhance the absorption of curcumin in the body. Heating turmeric in oil or fat can also improve its bioavailability. When using ginger, opt for fresh ginger root whenever possible for maximum potency and flavor. Additionally, consuming these spices regularly and consistently can help maintain their beneficial effects on our health and wellness. Whether sprinkled into dishes, brewed into teas, or blended into smoothies, there are countless ways to enjoy the health-boosting effects of turmeric and ginger. Making these spices a regular part of your diet can support your body's natural defenses, reduce inflammation, and promote optimal health and longevity. We invite you to join us on this journey towards better health and wellness by subscribing to our channel for more health-related content. By liking and sharing this video, you can help spread the word about the incredible benefits of turmeric and ginger and inspire others to make positive changes in their lives. Together, we can empower ourselves and our communities to prioritize health and well-being through simple, impactful dietary choices. Thank you for tuning in and learning more about the fantastic health benefits of turmeric and ginger. We hope this information has inspired you to take charge of your health and incorporate these powerful spices into your daily routine. Here's to a vibrant and healthy future filled with the goodness of turmeric and ginger. Stay tuned for more health tips and insights on our channel. Remember, your health is your most incredible wealth.